Hey Kimberly, it's Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go over your online presence. And looking through your website, any call to action buttons really help with the conversions, so that is good. One thing that I would recommend here is having some more content on this homepage. Google has crawlers that are crawling the internet 24/7. And so they are looking through all of the content and all of the websites, seeing what the photos are saved as, and they are looking for keywords embedded in the content. And so you want at least 1,500 words on your home page to be considered an authority with Google. And then you want those keywords embedded throughout. And here's an example of a keyword: Dallas foundation repair. And when your customers are searching this here, the first thing that's popping up are some ads. And if you scroll down here, this is the Google Map Pack section. And so 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here. So it is important to be ranking in the top 3 because they get a lot of that 30 to 40%. The way that you outrank these other businesses is to have a Google business profile that has more citations, which is your business name, phone number, and address in other places like Yelp. And then you want to have a good amount of reviews and geotagged photos as well. And if we scroll down here, this is the organic listing, and the remainder of that 60 to 70% of business goes into this organic listing area. And so this is where your website would be ranking. And it is important to be on this first page because 90% of people stay on this first page here. And then a lot of the traffic goes into the top 3. So the higher up you are, the better. And so let's take a look at this #1 ranking website for this keyword, Premier Foundation Repair. It looks like they could use some more content as well. But let's take a look at the back end of each website. So I have Premier plugged into Ahrefs. We're going to take a look at some ratings pulled from Google data. UR and DR, this is the trustworthiness and the authority of a website. So they have 35 and 7. And what's making up these ratings here are the backlinks that they have. They have 3.22 thousand backlinks coming from 188 referring domains. And so what a backlink is it is one website linking to another one, like a shout out. And it is important to be intentional whenever you are picking your backlinks, because there are high quality backlinks that will boost these numbers, and there are spammy ones that will bring these numbers down. And then Premier also has 291 keywords on their website. And if we take a look at your website here, I have your URL plugged in. Right now there are 0 for the UR and the DR, coming from 7 backlinks from 2 referring domains, and you will have 103 keywords on your website. And so it's important for you all to boost these numbers above your competitors. The way that you do that is getting high quality backlinks, and then just making sure that you have all the buyer intent keywords that you want to be found for on your website. And one way to get high quality backlinks is called the copycat method. You would go into Premier's backlinks here, and then you would link those to your website as well, because if it's working for them, it would be working for you as well. And let's take a look at some of their keywords. Foundation Repair Dallas, 1,000 people are searching for this every single month. 150, 180, 180, 100, and so this list just keeps going, and then there are pages here of them. And so in order for you to get some more of this traffic to your site, you'd want to make sure that you had your Google business profile ranking, so adding citations there, as well as having your website ranking. So you need to increase the trustworthiness and the authority of your website. And you would do that by adding those high quality backlinks. And then you want to add some more content and more buyer intent keywords to your website. And I hope that this video was valuable for you. I would love to know your feedback on it and to know if it was helpful. So if you'll give me a call to let me know if it was helpful, and I will let you know the joke of the day as well. Thanks for watching.